This week is our HealthSpective Step Challenge. And what we're going to do for our Step Challenge, when you log on, you're going to go to Challenges right here. And I've already enrolled everyone's classes into it, or your groups into it. And we're going to do the 5-day hustle. And this challenge starts on this Monday, 7/2. Your goal is to hit 40,000 steps in 5 days. So that's their first initial goal. And then you're also competing against all students enrolled in personal fitness for the summer. So against all the classes, everyone's classes will be in one group together. The top 10 students with the most steps will receive a gift card to Community Cup through email. So we're just going to be looking at the top 10. It's not for a grade. This is just going to help hopefully reach their 70,000 steps for the week, but also give them a little challenge, a little bit of fun. Really, you do not have to do anything because I will be able to monitor the whole challenge. So you don't have to do anything other than encourage the students to get their steps in and to have fun with it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.